The fifth constellation Mrigashira, 6 degrees and 40 minutes goes in Taurus and 6 degrees and 40 minutes goes in Gemini. The sign ruled by the bull, ruled by Venus, and Mrigashira ruled by Mars. Mars and Venus combination in the sign Taurus and Mars and Mercury combination in the sign Gemini. 3 faint stars on the head of the Orion are known as the stars for searching, research. They are searching always, moving around. When it is in Taurus, it gives combination of Mars and Venus, extensive qualities of impulsiveness, artistic nature, energetic, loves beauty, loves beautiful things in the life, wants to know what the world is, but gain materials in life. They produce very creative and intelligent children. When it comes to Gemini, then it is Mars and Mercury combination puts person into scandals, can put other persons also into scandals, or scandals can happen with them also. I would say they are very good speakers. They can mold a crowd of 10,000 people even to violence and to the peace. As it travels 3 degrees 20 minutes to 6 degrees 40 minutes into the Gemini, the deities are Mars and Venus and Mars and Mercury. Symbol is antelope's head or deer's head. Nature is like angels, Deva, and motivation is spiritual enlightenment to know the world. Direction is south, and the vowels ve, wo, ka and ki, the qualities are kingly but material, tamas, rajas and tamas. The deity is moon. Then the person is attractive, seductive, creative, talkative, daring and love for travel. If the person is born in the moon sign and constellation of Mrigashira, intelligent, writing, talkative, aggressive speech, sensual and beautiful. If the person is born with his sun in the Mrigashira, has got leadership qualities, authority, aggressive, adventurous, lazy little bit, but jack of all the trades. They are good actors, musicians, dancers, researchers, teachers, and involved in mystic sciences. They do very good real estate business. Born in the first part of the Mrigashira that falls in Taurus, outspoken people, very possessive and aggressive eyes, beautiful teeth, invincible, little lazy, seems little bent on the left hand side of the body, walks their right shoulder down. Born in the second part of the Mrigashira, they are not aggressive but respectable people in the society. Little coward, anger they keep inside, attractive, can't speak on the face of anybody. Born in the third part of the Mrigashira, lot of hairs on the shoulders and the chest and back of the chest also, rather on the backbone, possessive eyes, prominent nose, wheatish complexion. Part of this constellation falling in Gemini, normally chief of the army staff, nose also almost with the cheeks, broader nose, sometimes callous, round face and the round body.